We have YouTube tips, Google AdSense tips, demonetization tips, monetization tips, and all other types of content, including household cleaning and inspirational quotes. Also have religious content. So if you go to my playlist section, you will see all the types of different content we do. Yeah, so thank you so much for being here. The other day, a topic that came to mind was about a video going viral. So long form content, I haven't had that experience of long form content going viral immediately. I think the highest view long form video I've got on my channel is about 34,000 views on a long form video, and it's about the demonetization appeal video. But I didn't get that 34,000 views in such a short period of time, so I wouldn't classify that much as going viral. But however, on the other hand, with shorts videos, I could say, yeah, I have been going viral. And what do you do when your video goes viral? So for me, the first thing, obviously you're so excited, you go and tell your friends, you go tell your family, I've gone viral, I've gone viral. But in real terms, like in YouTube terms, as in your analytics is what you should be really looking at. So let's just say one of your videos goes viral, so you should be looking at your YouTube studio on a daily basis. So you should be checking your analytics, and then from there you can actually see your video going viral live in real time, because those blue lines you see on YouTube analytics under the last 60 minutes viewed or the last 48 hours views, all those blue lines you see, that's representative, that's a representation of a live count of people that are watching your video. So when you see a lot of blue in one area, and then if you see it rapidly jumping up, let's just say you upload a video, I don't know, like maybe 5 minutes ago, you go to your YouTube studio analytics and you look under the section that says view count, I think it is, in the last 60 minutes, in the last 1 hour. So you could see the blue lines are mounting up and they're jumping up rapidly. I wish I had some visuals to show you, but unfortunately today with this live stream, it's hard for me because I'm not on StreamYard. I can't show you any visuals, but maybe I'll do a video after this with some visuals to make it more clear in your mind. So basically, when you're in YouTube Studio Analytics and you see a lot of blue lines bunched up together and it's rapidly jumping up, the figures going up and up and up, that's an indication that your video is going viral. And when you see that in your analytics, from my experience, when I see a video going viral on my channel, I don't upload immediately, because what I found is if you upload immediately, it's like it dampens out. How do I explain that? It's just an analogy. It's like it dampens the fire or quenches the flames or something like that. I think you know what I'm trying to say, right? So once you see your video going viral, you could leave it there. Don't do another upload immediately, especially if it's a shorts video that's going viral. Yeah, leave it there. And then when you check your analytics, let's just say you've got 2,000 views in the last 60 minutes on that particular video, and then it jumps up to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. I think the highest I've ever seen my view count on one particular video, in one day, and it was within the last 60 minutes. I think the maximum it jumped up to was like 35,000 views in the last 60 minutes. Yeah, in the last 1 hour, it was like 34,000 views or something like that. Yeah. And yeah, Unfortunately, it didn't stay at that level. It declined a little bit. So went from 34,000 views down to 32, down to 30, down to 28. But it was still going. I think that video is still going today on my channel. If you probably go to um my shorts video section and you go to the section that says most viewed or something like that, you'll see it there. Yeah, still bringing in views till this day. So basically, but it did go up and down. So basically, when you get your viral video, my advice to you is don't upload straight away, especially if it's a shorts video. Yeah, leave it there for some time. So like, if it's got 5,000 views and it's constantly getting 5,000 views and you don't see any decline, yeah, leave it there for as long as you can. I think, and that also gives you a break with uploading as well, because if you're anything like me, I'm uploading multiple times a day. That gave me a bit of a breather. When I see one of my videos going viral, I'm like, yes, I don't need to upload for a whole week now. I can take a break and concentrate on my other channels. So yeah, so as I was saying, that gives you a bit of a break from uploading, because if you're anything like me, I upload daily, multiple times a day. Obviously, the more you upload, the more the algorithm, notices you, and you won't get left behind, because I've noticed that as well. If I don't upload every single day, my figures in my analytics, they decline very fast. They go down very fast. And when your views go down very fast, obviously your revenue will go down as fast as your views go down as well. So it's very important. And the thing I like to concentrate on within my analytics is how many views I got in the last 1 hour, in the last 60 minutes. So I try to keep that at a certain level. Let's just say I got 10,000 views in the last 60 minutes. So I try to keep it at that level. I don't let it go down too much, because if you let it go down, then your revenue will go down. Basically, it's all relative. So the more views you get, obviously, the more revenue you get. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I can't answer these questions because they're in another language. If there's a way that you could put these messages in English, then I'll be able to read them out and they will be helpful to the people that are on the live stream. Thank you so much. If anyone else has got any questions, this is supposed to be an interactive session. You can ask me questions if you're a new YouTuber, or if you've got any questions, if you're a seasoned YouTuber, you might have a topic you want to ask me about. I am here to answer any of your questions. And